Hey guys, it's D Johnson here, and today we are going to be starting a new series called Fortnite. So this is my brother's account actually. Yeah, hold on, let me just make this screen a bit bigger. There. Okay. So yeah, he's doing pretty good. He's level 34. So I don't know where you go. Battle Pass. Yes, he's level 68. And he wants the 1K XP boost, and he needs level 70, well 69 for this, and he wants this. So we are gonna level him up for him. So let's get right into a match. We're gonna go squads first. If I am noob at this, don't be mad. Okay, I might have time for only one game, but we'll see. Scratching noise, go! That was probably annoying. You're rape warning. No, I'm just kidding. I won't do that. Okay, in the game, as you can see what he has? Like the dude behind the fence, not the one with the red, but the dude that was aiming at him. That's the gun I like, the Scar. No, come here. Come here. I'm gonna kill you guys. Oh, guys. Okay, let's see here. No. The Fatal Fields. Okay, like, I'm fine with that. There's the light. Don't know what that is. Those are places that have chests, I'm guessing, then? Gotta get over there. This is... like this? Yes! Okay! Okay, small shield. Sorry, I'm just really focused. Hello. Okay, so go over here. Come on. God, people. Is that chest? That is indeed a chest. Okay, nice. Oh, use the hoe. Yeah, okay. So, root llama nearby? No, no root llama. Okay. This one. No, I have 8 more minutes for missing. Oh crap! No, he's gonna score! He's gonna score! He's gonna score! He's gonna score! No! Yes, he's gonna score! He has got to score. Come on. No. Dang it! Ah. Okay, that was a good game, but that is it for the video. I know it was only one game, but I have a limited time, so thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Good.